Uh, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Grab yourself whatever beverage you like and sit back and enjoy. This one I'm hoping to be a quick one. First off, I want to congratulate. I believe his name is Jacob. I'm gonna put his Instagram tag on in the descriptions. Go follow him. He's been posting a whole bunch of a lot of pictures and stuff about if I can talk, of his ZR2. He sent me. Super nice guy. He's right out of Arizona. Yeah, Jacob Grimes out of Arizona. Super awesome guy. We've been talking here and there. This is his first truck. It looked like in his photos before he was a lot into cars, and now this is his first truck, and he's taking it on the trails in Arizona. Unfortunately, those views there look amazing. I'm super jealous because of the mountains and everything else, and I live in the Midwest, and where it's basically corns. So yeah, congratulations. That Arctic blue looks amazing. I'm so happy for you. Cheers, and I'm jealous. But first off, I want to start. That's how I always kind of want to start my videos, and congratulating somebody on their ZR2 or Z71s or the Z71s. Because I always get the I don't know, whatever the one's the Corvette. I can't think of it now. Again, congratulations. It looks beautiful, and those rims on it actually completely changed that look of it. I absolutely love those. He told me those are from, I believe, 1552s, zero offset rims. So you need a zero offset right now. I have seen some pictures of people with 35s on their ZR2s already, and they look beefy. I can't wait to. That's one thing I do want to go. Minimum is 35s. I would like to get 37s on it, but that may be pushing it a little bit, in my opinion. So yeah. So anyway, today I want to talk about kind of a big issue that GM's having right now, and it's not happening to all of them. It's happened to kind of a few here and there. Of the GM and the GM Canyons and the Colorado, or the Chevy Colorados. It's not just happening to the ZR2s, it's happening to all across the board. The work truck, the Trail Boss, the Z71s, I said them all. Work truck, yeah, whatever trims out there. The body wire in the motor is, or the engine body wire is actually rubbing against the turbo actuator, which is not good. That's not good at all. The easy fix to it, the good old standard zip ties. So that is literally what GM is telling their techs to fix this issue, is by putting 2 nylon straps, zip ties, to the frame to help suck it. To help suck that body wire away from the turbo actuator. So if you don't feel like going into the dealership to fix probably a 30-second job, because I'm surely hell not going to waste my time doing that, 2 zip ties help suck that body wire back in. And I'm gonna post this link in the description below, or it's coming from GM Authority, and I've also seen that on a few other forums that this is actually true. So that kind of, it still sucks that you've still got a brand new car, and this is just one of the many issues that people are having. And Jacob said he's had 0 issues. I've heard other people have 0 issues, but there are issues out there. So this is just another one to tack onto the board. And we all know first gen of any brand new is gonna have some issues, and I'm still okay with that. Obviously you still got your 36,000 mile warranty, 5-year, whatever it is now, 3-year, bumper to bumper warranty on it. So I'm still okay with that. That's kind of a big thing. So another thing I want to talk about is the strike. This could affect a lot of orders being canceled, in my opinion. And this is kind of what happened back in with 2019 when GM went on strike for, I believe, 40 days. Ended up costing GM about $3.9 billion. That's quite a big chunk change, and a lot of cars. I believe that was over about 300,000 cars lost in orders because of that strike, and it hurts the wallet of GM. But on the flip side of things, it also hurts the workers. It hurts the all the parts suppliers that that supply the plant even worse, because they don't get any. I mean, they go on unemployment, and the worst thing for the workers are when they go on strike. When I was there, it was $150 to go on strike per week. So that means you're basically making $500 a month if, for whatever long it goes on for, and hopefully it only lasts for maybe a week or so. And still, even a week, that was going to put your order pushed back. So that's what's going to get a lot of people more pissed off on when you guys order your truck months ago, and now you're waiting even longer due to this. So it's kind of all bad timing. Obviously I'm still waiting. WRX is still here, unfortunately. But that is terrible, and it sucks because these are awesome trucks. And I do not want to go back to a Jeep, and how much I love Jeeps. And actually, this is Ace Engineering shirt, which, the owner was actually became a pretty good friend of mine. But that's actually when I get mine, that's a secret thing. But yeah, the strike is not good. It's good for the employees, and some of the things they're asking for is I agree with 100%. And there was a couple things in there I was like, but I'm not going to talk about them personally because that gets political, and on this channel I'll never talk anything political. That's my rule of stance. What you believe in may be completely different what I believe in, and I don't want to make this channel a political thing, and I never will. So this channel, like I said, is going to be more on the off-roading and parts and how I live with the truck. And right now, obviously, we don't. Well, we're back at it for the second time. So, anywho, that is really. I hit my camera shut off on me twice, overheating. But anyway, yeah. So that's basically what I wanted to talk about, especially today. I do got some other videos I've been working on. Like this video, I think I recorded like 10 times yesterday, but my room's not ready, and it just was uncomfortable, and I like being in the garage where I feel comfortable at, and there's a little bit more space. I'm not just sitting down with my headphones on. So yeah, that's basically all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have a great day. If this is your first time checking out my channel, all I'm talking about is a lot of auto things. Doing some unboxings. I actually got a couple things. I'll show you a sneak peek. Just kind of a sneak peek. This company actually didn't sponsor this video. They are sponsoring another video. This is actually going in to not really the ZR2 due to it already has the parts. But if you guys don't, this company right here is an LED aftermarket light. They were nice enough to send it to me, and we're gonna do an unboxing video here coming soon. But yeah, so tune out for that. I do got some other things coming in for actually the ZR2 that are actually been placed by some companies that that shipped me some stuff, and we're gonna do unboxing and installs. So I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys, plus everybody, all the companies that have been coming out to me and checking me out, and I really appreciate it. I know none of my videos are really the greatest by any means. Obviously this is not my full-time gig, which I would love this to be a full-time gig, but unfortunately right now it's not. But one day, hopefully, maybe down the road, because this is actually a big passion of mine, and I enjoy it, and I can show you guys everything that I'm going to do with the truck and outside the truck and whatever else. Especially when the truck shows up, the camera is going to be probably rolling all the time, just so I can get some footage. So yeah, if this is your first time checking my channel out, I greatly appreciate it. My name is Tony, and please hit that smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys Oh, one more thing before I smack the lens. A video on Tuesdays and Fridays. Do like a Tech Tuesday and a talk on Fridays, which I'll be posting. So I can at least have a day to actually sit down and edit instead of just rushing filming this. Get it to the computer, edit up a little bit, and get it so I do have a little bit. I can actually make better content. So that's going to kind of give me a little bit of a leeway and whatnot. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.